If you stumbled across this video, you're like most people that have been hurt and are searching for a lawyer. You get on the internet only to find out that there's hundreds or thousands to pick from, and you don't know which lawyer is the right lawyer for you. So what do you do? Hi, my name is Hugh Howerton. I specialize in personal injury law, and I was voted one of the top 100 Texas trial lawyers. Today I want to give you some advice on what not to do and what to do to find the best personal injury lawyer for you. Let's start out with what not to do. Number one, if some lawyer that you don't know calls you out of the blue, or worse, shows up at your house and says, hey, I want to represent you in your case, I can get you a bunch of money, or worse, I'll give you a bunch of money to sign up with me, you do not want that ambulance chasing lawyer. Second, if you get the feeling after talking to the lawyer that they just want your case for the money, you don't want that lawyer. Third, don't just pick the first lawyer that you see on television or the first one that you roll across on the internet before researching the lawyer's credentials and experience. I can't stress that enough. Unfortunately, I get calls all the time from people that have picked the wrong lawyer only to realize that it's a bad fit, a bad situation, and they want out. So, what should you do and what should you look for? The first thing is you want a board-certified attorney that's board-certified in personal injury law. That means they're recognized by the State Bar of Texas as a specialist in personal injury cases. The second thing you're looking for is somebody that has an AV rating. Now, most people have never heard of what an AV rating is, or even why your attorney should have one. An AV rating is the highest rating awarded by the prestigious Martindale-Hubbell Legal Directory for both legal skill and ethical conduct. Very few attorneys in the United States have an AV rating, and it's kind of a mark of excellence, so look for that. The third thing you should be looking for is, do they have experience handling your type of personal injury case? If it's a complex case like a trucking accident or a brain injury or a defective automobile, you want to make sure that the lawyer that you pick has experience winning that type of case. You want to look at the lawyer's website, look at their credentials, and then look at the reviews that they have from their previous clients. If they're good reviews, that's a good sign. Finally, and most importantly, you want a lawyer that cares about you and has your best interests at heart. If you get the feeling that the lawyer is too busy to talk to you once they take the case, or wants the case just for the money, or you just get a gut feeling that this lawyer is just not right for you, that's a red flag. Take your time, do your research. If you do that, more than likely you're going to end up with a much better lawyer and ultimately a much better outcome in your case. I wish you well.